Hello you guys, hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel once more. My name is Rodam Edima, and if you're new here, you're welcome. If it's your first time to see this video, you're welcome. I'm my YouTuber. Well, today, after a long after a long time of thinking and preparing and getting things together, I think it has taken like 4 months. I've decided to finally do a house tour, a room tour. Okay, because this is a bed sitter. It's just one room, so it's a bed sitter. After everything, it has taken me like 5 months to get everything together, to collect myself and finally have my place organized in a way that I can finally host people and I can finally show it off, I think. Yeah, so the last time that I showed a video, I had told you guys I'm going to get some chairs. They're not really fancy, nothing fancy, but I think in my previous video, I think some of you have already seen, I already had these chairs, but they were in storage somewhere else. So finally I got them and I brought them here. I was first scared that they would not fit, but thank goodness, they fit so perfectly and even left for me some more space. With a bed sitter, I'm mainly trying to manage as little space that I have. Like I have very small space, so I have to manage it and also not overfill the room. I did not want my room to be too stuffed because I would not feel comfortable in it. I didn't want it too packed again. I had to actually give out a few things. So my aim was not to pack this room up. I had a lot of things and I did not want to bite off too much that I can't be able to chew. So yeah, I have finally put it together. That's what I think. I don't think I'll be adding anything more here for now. Maybe in the long run, but for now, maybe when we move to a bigger house. But for now, this is just my own personal space. It's nothing fancy. My theme was mainly African. I wanted to go with an African touch. Yeah, African touch. There's some things that I wanted to get rid of, but I could not because my budget was not so good. And I was really working on a budget. Before I talk too much, I think we should get into the room tour. But you're welcome. If it's your first time seeing me, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and we can grow together. If nothing is perfect, please understand. I'm still getting a grip of it, but you're welcome. So let us get into it. Thank you. Okay, everyone, you're welcome back. So this is my house tour. This is the door. You enter from here. Remember, I'm using as very little space as possible so that I could fit as many things as possible in here. So from the doorway, this is the curtain. It's an old curtain. I like this curtain because no one can see. It can let in some little light, but no one can see inside my house because this place is really not safe. Then after the curtain, I got this mirror. It was a gift from someone. I have this mirror hung up. I had to hit it from the old. It was actually the other side. I removed it and I put it here because I already got chairs for here. So I hung this mirror up. Then on top of the mirror, I have the wall art hung up. This was a DIY project by me too. Then after that area looks like that. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. This is my doormat. It's cream. Yeah. Then after, I placed my plant just close there. After the plant, then these are my curtains. These are curtains that I got some years back. I did not get anything new apart from the net. The shears were new. Then after, I have this pallet seat. I have pallet seats that I was talking about that I got. Nothing really fancy, but they could fit. I think this is like a 6-seater if I'm not wrong, but they fit so well. At least I can have a place where my visitors can sit and not complain and not be disturbed. Then just above my chairs, I have this wall art that I made myself. The first one I used skewers and books. Then I painted it. Then I hung it up. All that is made by me, apart from, of course, the baskets. They were not made by me. Yeah, so just above the seats, people can sit here. Then just above them, there is the wall art. So when someone enters from the doorway, they enter, the first thing they will look at are my seats and the wall art. Yeah, let me show you guys how it looks like from the entrance. So from the entrance, this is the view that someone will be having. He will stand here and look up for that. Yeah. Then after, I have this center table. This center table was part of, it came with my pallets. I like the center table because it's so easy, so summarized, so plain, nothing fancy. I always put this basket under here. These are for my old remotes, some scissors, some old cameras, and some cables that I use on a daily. I always also put this mini tripod of mine inside this, but today that was here because I was shooting some content. Then next I have this that I use as a center decor piece, art piece. These were flowers. These are actually real flowers. I got a bouquet on my birthday. Someone gifted me a bouquet. So the other flowers dried off, but this dried off in a nice way, so I had to remove them. Then I placed them just in water and I put them in a vase. This vase was also a DIY project whereby I just cut a wine bottle, then I put my flowers in. Yeah, the only challenge I'm currently having is these extensions. I really don't know how to hide the wires, but well, we shall see how it works out. Let me put this back and I'll take you guys ahead. Next, after that, here I have my fridge. I placed my fridge just close to the seats because it's not safe putting them out. My kitchen is out, and also my kitchen does not have a socket, which is weird, but now I just put the fridge inside because I feel it's safer inside here. And then near the fridge there is my oven. It's an old oven that I've had for years. I was using it during my business days when I was running a small bakery business. Yeah, then I have this chair, this small stool that I got from home from my mom's. I got this chair. Under them I got extra space for my other shoes. I fixed shoes that there. Then this oven, I also don't want to take it out. This is usually not here. This is actually always there. I use it as a throw blanket when I'm watching movies and all that. Then just opposite where the seats are, you will see this mini TV that I also just got from someone. For now, that is what I'm going to use. I know it's very small and maybe ugly, but this gives also picture. I can watch my movies here very well, no complaints, thank you. Then I have this that I use as a TV stand. This was an old dress of mine, but it broke, it stopped working. Instead of throwing it, so I just turned it upside down. Then I use this as a place for extra storage. I store my other oils down there. Then I just covered it all up with that cloth. This was a hack that our moms taught us. Yeah. Then I have this plant of mine that is not doing so well. This is an avocado plant that I planted some months back, but it's now growing. It did not have water. I did not know that it ran out of water, so I added more water. And then behind it are some bottles that a friend of mine made for me too. Then this is my artificial flower that I bought some time back. Then behind it I have a calabash. This scares people, but I also use it as decor, but with time I think I have to get rid of it. People have a negative attitude towards it. They think it's for juju and all that, but no. It was actually also given to me by a friend of mine. Yeah, he won it, so he gave it to me. It was beautiful when it came because it actually came with gifts, but I always put it near my TV, but I'm going to remove it. Then next I have this place. These are falling now. I have where I put my tripods and my ring light. This is always actually here. I put my ring light and my tripods there. Next to it is a pot that I want to put plants in, but for now I'm just keeping it there. I've not yet figured out what to plant in it. Then I have this bedside table of mine. Near the bedside table I have my microphone and a small plant that is growing. This is a succulent plant that I put next to my bed, just that it looks beautiful. This I always keep behind there. Then after, this is my bed. This is my bed, my favorite spot. The lighting. Okay, it's not okay. This is my bed. On the bed I got two pillows now. No, plus 3. This small pillow was also given to me by someone. Then I don't use a duvet, though I have one. I don't use a duvet because I sweat a lot, so I covered my bed with bed sheets and then this duvet cover that I've always had. Then I have this blanket that was given to me by my mom. This blanket is actually cream. It's not white, although it looks like it's dirty, but no, it's actually cream. I like this blanket because I don't sweat so much in the middle of the night. So all there, I have space. I still have space in between it and where I use as the living room. So after that, I have this scarf-like thing. I think it's a rag. I put this down as a rag, as my bedside rag. Yeah, that it looks cute. Actually, it looks beautiful there. Then after my bed, just after my bed is my bathroom. I'm not going to take you guys into that bathroom. It's nothing fancy, nothing nice. Okay, it's just that toilet and bathroom. And then my towel, my laundry basket, my soaps and everything are in there. Then at the bathroom, I have this, my sandals are out there. My bathroom sandals, then a rag for the bathroom so that water doesn't spill all over the house. This is my suitcase where I keep my extra clothes. Then that place is not clean, it's not organized, so I won't take it back. I just put my towel and my bags there for work. Then after, I have this stand that has always been there. I think it has not moved much. I removed some shoes that were there. Sorry, it's a weekend, still people are shouting. Well, I have this I have my shoes on two shelves. Take my shoes in the upper shelf. I always put my bag there and some skin and hair products, but now they are not there. I removed them because I've done some laundry. Then the fourth shelf has clothes that I'm going to use during the week. I always put them here so that I don't keep on opening here and then disorganizing the whole room. Then next, the last shelf has a place where I can put my extra curtains, extra bed sheets, extra towels, anything. I just put them there. Then also on the side, I have a place where I put my extra clothes. Yeah, I think that is all for the room. Then you go back to where we started from. So let me show you guys how this place looks like from the door. So when someone enters my room, this is what they will see. This is how it looks like. The wall art, then the bed. This is how my bed sheet actually looks like. It's nothing fancy, just simple, and it's enough for one person. So what I'm happy about right now is that I have a place where visitors can come and sit. Instead of sitting on my bed, at least they can sit here and also give me my space on my bed. So I'm not comfortable with people who are sitting on my bed, so they can sit here and maybe watch TV. Then after they can leave. Well, that is it. Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. My name is Rodam once again. Yeah, I need to end this video because it's going to be so long and with a lot of background noises. I have my neighbors making a lot of noise. But yeah, bear with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell always. Thank you so much. Have a blessed week. Bye.